Good morning, students. Today we discuss about Synfig Toolbox. Tools. Tools helps you to create the artwork for your multimedia project. It provides various tools to create and manipulate an object. Tools are visible in the Tools option panel. Parameters are visible in the Parameter panel. When you select the particular tool, the Tool option panel displays the options that are available for the tool. Let us discuss the tools used to draw an object. Number 1. Circle tool. The circle tool is used to create new circle layer. Circle layer are used to represent circle. A circle has two important parameters, center and radius. You can see the parameters in the parameter panel. We can change any of the parameter after drawing the object. To draw a circle, select the circle tool. Click in the working area when you want to create circle to be and then drag to set the radius. Using the tool option panel, you can also change the name of the circle layer. If you want to edit the circle, then click on the duck. In case the ducks are not visible, then click on the transform tool to see the ducks. A ducks is a handle that is used to control some parameters of a layer. Ducks comes in different colors and they have specific meaning. Green, position of the object. Blue, radius of the circle. Orange, vertices. Yellow, curves. Dark blue, change the angle in star. Now we discussed about rectangle tool. Rectangle tool is used to create a rectangle layer. To draw a rectangle, select the rectangle tool. You can also see the tool option available in the tool option panel and the parameters are displayed in the parameter panels. Star and polygon tool. We can use the star and polygon tool to create the star layer and polygon layer. Star tool and ducks to edit the star make the changes to see the difference. A polygon can be created using any number of points and then click on the first point to close it. Beeline tool. Beeline tool is used to make object with any number of point and canvas. To stop drawing the object, right click on the last point. Draw tool. Draw tool is the most common tool used for drawing. You can draw with the help of mouse. Fill tool. The fill tool changes the color of objects. To fill a color in the object, select the color from the color palette. Select the fill tool button and then click on the object. This tool has an effect and the following layers: circle layer, rectangle layer, polygon layer, star layer, region layer, outline layer, checkboard layer. The other layers are not affected by this tool. Eyedrop tool. The eyedrop tool allows you to select colors from the eyedrop tool. Select the eyedrop tool and then click in the work area to set the default foreground color in the eyedrop tool to be the color you are currently pointing us. Gradient tool. The gradient tool is used to create smooth transmission between two or more colors in an object. When you select the gradient tool, the tool option panel will show the option for the gradient tool. There are four types of gradient, namely linear, radial, conical and spiral. Now we discussed it. First, linear. This produces a simple transmission in a straight line. Set the foreground and background color. Click when you want to gradient to begin and drag to when you want to transmission to end. Radial. This produce circular colors with the transaction being at the center of this circle. Click when you want to the center of the circle to be and drag to set the radius of the transaction. Conical. This has the appearance of looking draw on a tip of a course. The gradient is along the circular arc of the center and goes in all directions. Spiral. This produces a spiral gradient. Click to set the center of the spiral and drag to set the tightness. Text tool. Text tool allows you to enter text by creating a text layer. Select the text tool icon from the toolbox and then click in the canvas window where you want the text layer to be created. Once you enter your text, then you can change the typeface, font size, color, font style, etc. of this text. Zoom tool. The zoom tool is used to get a closer or far away view of the object in the working area. The zooming does not affect the output results. It is used to just view the object from close or far image. Width tool. The width tool helps to increase or decrease the width of a line. This tool is used to turn the line width. Transform tool. The transform tool allows you to select object and to move, rotate or scale the dots. Smooth move tool. Smooth move tool works just like transform tool, except when multiple ducts are selected. Select multiple ducts by pressing Ctrl+A or dragging a rectangle around the ducts. Now when you drag one of the selected ducts, the other selected ducts will also moving along with it. Scale tool. Just as we discussed smooth move tool, here also when we select multiple ducts and drag one of the selected ducts, the other selected ducts will scale relative to the center of the selected group. Rotate tool. As in smooth move and scale tool, when we select multiple ducts and drag one of the ducts, the other selected ducts will move, rotating about the center of the selected group.